Hey guys, I'm just sharing a clip of me trying to organize this kitchen. I don't think y'all understand how big of a task it is for me. I have so much shelf space, as you can see, and it's but recently I've been buying little pieces, and I'm going to do a full, kitchen makeover, because I just don't want all that stuff there on the shelves anymore. And yeah, so just wanted to tell you guys that. And I want to share this clip of me preparing some bananas. So I like to have a smoothie, a protein smoothie to be exact, at least once or twice a day. And I use bananas to do that. So what I like to do is wait for them to be extremely ripe, as you can see here. And I freeze them and I put them in the freezer. So when I make my smoothie, all I have to do is grab 2 frozen bananas, put some oats, some almond milk, peanut butter, a little maca powder, and I'm good to go. Some people use protein powder, but I don't know. Protein powder is just not for me. But yeah, just wanted to share that. Thank you guys for your continuous support. It's so appreciated. And yeah, we're going to walk this down together. So make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Let me know if there's anything else that you guys would like to see. And I'll see you in the next video. Y'all hear them NYC streets? Crazy.